excited to attend the festival because there's a group of wonderful actors, directors, people from all around the world are gathered here. People from our community are participating as volunteers.
Feel a member of this festival. I feel myself as a member of this festival. To spread out the message of peace, this festival is a great answer. It's a great answer to the enemies. It's a great answer to those who want to destroy the life of our people.
I'm very excited. I'm looking forward to seeing the films that have been produced in the country. Heard they're great and looking forward to seeing them. I'm looking forward to seeing them all. I've heard they're all great and all have something different to offer, so I think the night's going to be a good night.